Gonna make it a video.
A what?
Make it a video.
Okay. Now we'll just take picture again.
Just make a video.
You have to hold it. Hold it high. Okay, hold it.
Just click it. Obviously that works. Click it.
Are you sure?
Yes, just click that button and this and done. And just make a video. And then just click it.
Okay. I have to adjust the camera.
Make a video. Make a video.
Okay, we'll make a video.
Alam mo, yung doktor ko
Alright, picture.
No, just a video. And just stop so I can watch it with the camera.
And cut.
Yes, and click it.
Okay, we'll just watch. We'll take a picture now. Hold it. Ready?
Pagsira ng puri.
You can't move.
Kasi nasabi ko nga sa Kuya Ling.
Alright, ready?
Ready?
You have to stay still. 1.
Wala namang palang, wala namang.
You're moving.
Don't say that word, just click it.
Tapos ano,
You're moving.
sinag sa akin, nung operahan ako,
Well, I can't see your face.
There you go.
I can't see your face though. Okay, ready? Ready?
Babalik ko sa CR yan, buhat.
Ready? Steady. 1, 2, ready? Are you ready?
Ready? And 1,
1,
2, 3, click.
5, 11. Ready?
Ready? And click.
You can't move.
Just click.
Siya po rin mag-50 sa
Just
isa.
click it. And then watch it in your camera.
Just what? I can't see your face. Just what?
Just click it.
Just click it? Hey, you're picking your nose.
Eh, siyempre kailangan ipakulay ng buhok, ano?
Just click it.
Patay lang. Ano gagawin mo dyan?
Nilalagay ko sa kotse. May iba daw ako ngayon, di ba? So, bubuksan ko muna. So, balikan ka dito.
Just click it.